Hello, fellow Rangers. It's Blue Project 92 here, and welcome to a vlog video number 77. And this video is brought to you by Captain Marvel, Marvel Studios Captain Marvel, which is in theaters today. And if you feel like it, go to see the movie, and women only, okay? And I'm sorry for men, it's not going to be see the movie until it comes out on Blu-ray. So someday this year. Okay, and if you like this video I'm doing right now, make sure you click the like button and subscribe, and click the bell for notifications, because you'll be notified for newest videos every day, Monday through Friday. And share with your friends and your family also. And without further ado, let's get this vlog video started, shall we? Shall you? Huh? What the? What are you doing?
This floor's wet right here.
What do you mean?
Give me the flashlight.
Okay. Where's the flashlight?
Look on that table.
Okay.
I guess, never mind. Just watch that right there.
I am.
This is unbelievable. No, don't do this to me.
Okay.
Yep.
Why is he leaking?
I don't know, Harley. That's just fucking great.
Language.
That's fucking great. Sorry. Let me go, DJ.
Yeah.
We'll have a fucking fit.
Okay. This is not good, people. Nope.
I think we'll have a great day in it. I bet I ain't got no hot water.
I think his phone's in my room. I think. You want me to get the phone for you?
Yes, please.
Okay. Got the phone.
Just get that off me. It's not gonna be good. Just get it off.
Okay. It's raining outside, you guys. I'm telling you guys, that it's not gonna be bad over the weekend. Can you see me? Okay.
When you get home, somebody needs to come up here and look at my water heater. My rug's wet there, and it looks like water's coming from somewhere, where the water heater is. What? I know. I don't want to start because I'm about ready to fucking cry. So just, I don't know, Derek, DJ.
Don't cry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay.
Well, I know this, DJ. I know. Well, please don't come up here fussing. Just check it, will you?
Hold on. So what do you say? What? What do you say?
I've got to have a new water heater.
Okay.
It's always something. I'm just making mad at
I know you're making mad, okay? There's no reason to get upset over that heater thing.
we won't have no hot water if I don't get it fixed.
I know, okay? It will fix, alright?
I'm in a pretty good mood, too.
I know you were, okay? But still no reason to get upset over that heater thing, okay? Since it's not that serious.
That's serious.
Okay?
It costs money.
I know it costs money, okay?
Are you at home yet? Well, when you get home, have David come up here. Because my water heater has got water leaking out from under it. I noticed when I was going to hang my clothes up, a rug was wet there by the closet door. And I pushed the door open, and there it was. Well, it's leaking. It's not really a whole lot of water. I think so. Let me look. Yeah, I got it. 3954. 3854. Okay.
It's gonna be okay. Mom, it's gonna be alright, okay? It's nothing serious about it. Still, it's not that important. Just relax, okay? It's not important. Seriously. It's not that serious. It's not that important about a heater thing on her mom's closet.
You need to come up here before you go home. You need to check my water heater out. It's got leaking water out from under it, looks like. Okay.
It's gonna be okay.
Not really.
It's not that serious, okay? It's not that.
Did I even close the closet door? No. If I didn't, then cats gone in that closet.
Then you should have closed that door. Jeebus. But seriously, let me know in the comment section below of this video. I'm working on it. And do you have any advice about a problem with the water, the heater thing in my mom's closet? Just let me know in the comments and let me hear your thoughts. And just please do, okay? You need to chill, okay? You be in good mood, okay? I know you did, but there's no excuse of that situation like this. We always talked about it yesterday. Oh, okay. David's coming. Prepare yourself. Jeebus.
Yes. Yes, David's on his way up here. I'll be here in a few minutes.
Just calm down, okay? Calm.
Why don't you just go get it on? Why don't you just go get it on a card that you can qualify for? You can get one.
Calm.
That's when I bought this stuff. When I bought my when my stove went out, all I had to do was walk in there and tell them my stove went out and I had to have a stove. They give me a card right then and there.
Jesus Christ. Calm.
I know, but it won't be that much a month, DJ. I could probably pay that. Oh, okay. He'll be here in a few minutes. I'll tell you. Okay. Bye.
Calm down. Relax.
I'm not going to get upset about this because I've been stressed out now for 2 weeks trying to get ready to go in this hospital and stuff. I cannot get stressed out again. I can't.
You don't have to, okay? You don't have to.
It's something all the time.
I know. Just relax. Relax. Calm down. Okay? Just, you need to calm down, okay? There's no sense to get upset of everything. How many weeks? She doesn't know. She doesn't know. Mom's always something getting herself into trouble. Okay? I know she's 65 years old, alright? But she needs to stop acting like a toddler, okay? Seriously.
I'm acting like a toddler. I'm acting like this because I have a water heater that's went out.
I know,
What do
okay?
you expect me to do? Jump for joy?
No. I expect you to get your act straight, okay?
Get my what?
Act straight. We already discussed this last night, okay? We're not getting in fight again, okay? Jesus Christ. You need to chill, okay? And you need help, you need. I need to calm down, okay? But I always control my anger, okay? When the situation happens. I did my part, okay? I did my part. I think this is the end of the video for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, And click like and subscribe and hit notifications just to be notified for videos every day, Monday through Friday. And I'll see you on March 17th because in St. Patrick's Day are coming up, okay? So get ready for the episode of my show, the Hard Up Show, Season 3. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, till then, morphin out.